Finally got around to taking some parts off the firewood tumbler, or what will be a firewood tumbler. Everything looks fairly well rusted and not much chop, but I was surprised when I started pulling the hydraulic components apart. Sometimes you can get bloody lucky. This is the hydraulic motor that turns that drum. The pitting on here is unreal. I've never seen anything like that. But then the internals, are fine. Yeah, it's a good blowout, seal kit, good polish up. It will run again. Not so sure how lucky I'm going to be with the control valves. Get that in that light. Everything's jammed up, but I'm about to pull that apart and see how we go. Need to give that a bit of a blowout. That is not a good sign. rusted solid. Looking down the portholes, it looks pretty bad, but I'll spray that full of WD-40 or something like that and try and tap it out tomorrow. We've got a thunderstorm rolling in here and I'm in a full metal building with a metal frame straight on the ground, so I'm going to pack it up and head home.